Dear students, let's see another 2 questions on the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test. NEET practice session. Ever learning, and never able to come to the knowledge of the truth. So let's learn and gain the knowledge. So our first question today is, 1 revolution is equivalent to 360. The value of 1 revolution per minute is. There are 4 options. A. 27 pi radian per second. B. 0.104 radian per second. C. 3.14 radian per second. D. None of these. So what's the answer for this? Okay, let's see now. Given 1 revolution equals 360. Therefore, 1 revolution per minute equals 1 into 2 pi radians divided by 60 seconds. On solving this you get an answer 0.104 radian per second. So the answer is B. Now let's move on to the second question. A packet contains silver powder of mass 20.23 gram plus 0.01 gram. Sum of the powder of mass 5.75 gram plus 0.01 gram is taken out from it. The mass of the powder left back is. There are 4 options here. A. 14.48 gram plus 0.01 gram. B. 14.5 gram plus 0.1 gram. C. 14.48 gram plus 0.02 gram. D. 14.5 gram plus 0.2 gram. Let's solve this problem. Given mass of silver powder M1 equals 20.23 gram plus 0.01 gram. Mass of the powder taken M2 equals 5.75 gram plus 0.01 gram. Therefore the mass of the powder left back M equals M1 minus M2. Substituting the values of M1 and M2. You will get the value of M as 14.48 gram plus 0.02 gram. Therefore the correct option is C. Hope you understood it. If not, retry again. Thank you.